Hello everybody, welcome back to the Metal Scrapper channel. Today I will be casting some aluminium shapes. We have a bear shape and we have a snowman shape. So this, I hope these will turn out as you see them now, and I hope these molds will hold out with aluminium in it. I scored them for just 50 euro cents for two, so it's not a big investment. And as a bonus I will make some more aluminium bronze today. So sit back and enjoy this video. Alright, so they won't come out of the mold shape, and I want to make 2 more, so let's quench them and I hope they will get loose. I hope so, and don't destroy the molds. They've already been cooling for like 10 minutes. Right, so they've been cooled. Let's see if they will fall out of the mold now. And I will dry again the molds to use them another next time. Alright, so I'm back with the mold, and we cooled it down with some water. And still won't come loose because the shape is has a good grip on the metal. We put some lubricating spray in it, and we use a screwdriver to go push it out. There it is.
Whoa. Cool.
So we have one aluminium bear, and I will make another one, and this one has already been loosened up. We have one snowman, so let's make another 2. Alright, so that was the bonus shot. It's the aluminum brass. Correction, aluminum bronze. Let's quench it. Right, we'll be back with some cold water. Right, back with some cold water. So I will first try to get these aluminium shapes out of the mold. It can take a while, but I will show it. They're quite stuck again. So we have the aluminium bars. It was a while ago I did some aluminium. There's some more bars here. This was a leftover, a small bar. And now we have some aluminum bronze. This time it looks very good. I've melted the dross of the last melt. So we'll clean it up and show you the end results. Alright, so this time it went quite easy getting the shapes out of the mold. So let's see what we have in total now. So we started off with a bear. Came out quite good. All the details filled in, so had a hard time getting it out. I will give it a wire brush and I think I will grind this with a Dremel and polish it up, because this will be a present for Christmas. There's the first bear. This was the first snowman. Also all details captured. So it's quite fun. And this is the second pour. Second pour is even better. So all will be polished up and given as a present for Christmas. And the second bear feels a little bit rough, but I think they will clean up nicely. So we have the aluminium ingots. So the small one was a leftover. The medium-sized one. And as always, aluminium pours really well. So I hope to do some sand casting again with the aluminium. And then we have the big one. And now for the bonus, some aluminium bronze. Nice gold. Also real smooth. It's the aluminium that gives it the edge of casting very smooth. So I also want to make some casting projects with aluminium bronze, and I will have some bars to do that. So that was the video. I hope you liked this video. If so, give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell button, so you will see plenty of more melting videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you later on. Bye bye.